Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Konamawian. And this week flew by so fast. Like, I've been so busy this week that I was about to turn off the computer and then I remembered that I haven't even done the blog yet because it's been that busy. So this week we finally opened the doors for beta testers to test the application that we've been working so hard at my internship, and the feedback has been great so far. So the thing that we are the most proud of as a team is that we haven't had any bugs or crashes, no login issues, nor crashing. So we are very proud that we have done a phenomenal job to make sure that the user was able to use the application. Now, there's been a lot of feedback, especially with the user interface and the user experience. So there's a lot of things that we're going to have to go back to the drawing board and really make sure that the UI is very detailed and provide more information to the users on what the feature does. Essentially, we need to clarify and really inform the user before they even use it. That way the experience is better. We are only opening the beta testing for a week because we have gotten great feedback. So we're gonna have a meeting next week and then get back to cooking. So that's that. Another thing that I've been doing this week is making sure my portfolio website looks better. I updated my resume. For my projects, what I did, I deployed one of my projects, Nissan Experience. For those that are new to the channel, I love Nissan. I love the car company. I did some UI fixes. I improved the user interface and made it more palatable to the eye, even though palatable is more for taste, but you get the point. So yeah, this is good to go. It's deployed. If you go to my portfolio website, you're able to see it. And just because it's there, that doesn't mean I'm not going to work on it. There's an extra feature that I'm going to add that I can't wait to start working on it. Another thing that I did was I removed the chat application from my portfolio website. Let's be honest, 2026. Who cares about a chat application? It's not impressive. So what I did was I changed the chatter app for the Google Calendar MCP, which is more predominant with the current market. And what I did was I made a demo from the crash course video that I have. So if you've seen, let me see this one, essentially did a demo and during this presentation, and I just made it into a 2-minute clip, and you're able to see the demo of the Google Calendar MCP, which is good. And I put it on Vimeo. Why? Because it doesn't have ads. I don't want somebody going to my portfolio website wanting to see my project and then getting hit with a ad. I don't want that experience. However, I did post it on my YouTube channel, so if you want to go and see it there, you're able to do so. And last but not least, this entire week, your boy is finally doing data structures and algorithms. So there's a big difference between building an application and doing code challenges. I'm doing the Neat Code 75, and oh my god, like for instance, this one, oh my god, this one took me forever to do. It's a 2-sum. I was able to do it in 2 different solutions, but oh my god, it's a different learning curve in order to like learn how to think about logic and speed and using memory and things of that nature. So for instance, with this problem, the 2-sum, I can do this with a for loop, and since the array only has like 4 items, it's really not a big deal. It gets it done. But the problem with this array is that what if instead of 4 items, what if we have 50,000? Then this brute force solution, it would work, but it would be slower. So using a hash map, which I'm getting used to using, I haven't used hash maps at all since I started coding. So this is new to me, so I'm getting more comfortable using maps, and I learned the difference between a hash map and just a map. So the map is more flexible and the hash map is more rigid. Nevertheless, I'm having a lot of fun learning about data structures and algorithms, and right now we just keep cooking, we keep grinding. We're going to land that job this year. You'll see. I have a lot of faith. We're putting a lot of work. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.